Creating an email sequence in Kajabi allows you to automate communication with your audience, nurturing leads or engaging customers. Follow these steps. Log into Kajabi. Access your Kajabi account and navigate to the Marketing tab. Create a new email sequence. Click on Email Campaigns and select New Email Sequence. Name your sequence. Add emails to the sequence. In the sequence editor, add the first email by clicking Add Email. Enter a subject line and draft your email content using Kajabi's rich text editor. Specify when the email will be sent. Customize and automate. Repeat the process to create subsequent emails in the sequence. Adjust the send intervals to space out the emails appropriately. Use merge text to personalize emails. Assign triggers. Attach the sequence to a pipeline, form, or product purchase. This determines when subscribers enter the sequence. Test and launch. Preview and test the sequence to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, activate the sequence.